What's going on, YouTube? If you're new here, my name's Beaux, and welcome to Thunderstick Homestead. I got a quick video to y'all. It's something I was thinking about. I stumbled upon this the other night, so let's get at it. I was going through my bags, tracking my bags as one does when you're a homesteader. You got a bag for this and a bag for that. But I was doing some rearranging and putting a bag together for like a Haversack bag. Just something I could take to the woods and have a little fun with it, and still have some essentials. Well, I went in my little drawer of all things. It's kind of like a giant, catch-all drawer of preps and survival equipment. And I ran across this U.S. military sustainment bag. And I said, well, I'll just use this to pile all my stuff in. And so after I piled it all together, I kind of realized this would make a great haversack. While it's not my thing, I mean, this is a very cheap way to go if you want like a single pouch haversack deal. I got this for like $30. I believe it was eBay or Etsy, I don't remember. Yeah, we'll go ahead and see what all's in here. Like I said, this is just a quick video. And I went ahead and threw on just the old canteen strap. Once again, if you're in this hobby, we all got just random canteen straps laying around. So I just clipped it on there and we were good to go. Like I said, I'm gonna show you what all's in here. This is not like an ideal setup, but I'll show you what's in here. So you open it up, it's just got a single buckle. And as I said, we're just gonna go ahead and grab and see what all's in here. Don't worry, I'll lay everything out here in a second. Even though this isn't, like I said, how to put one of these bags together. It's simply to show you that one of these GI military sustainment pouches might be something you want to look into if you're into this sort of thing. Alright, so that's what I had in the sustainment pouch. I had a compass, notepad, poncho, a lighter, cordage, mag light, ridge line, 10 stakes, poncho, duct tape for fire starting, a knife and a saw, and a pair of gloves. So if you were like me and you never thought about using a sustainment pouch as a haversack or a butt pack type deal, you might want to think about doing it. Like I said, I've not seen anybody on YouTube mention it, so I figured I'd bring it to you. Like I said, it's not my deal. That's why this isn't packed out the way I'd like it, but just figured I'd bring it to you and it might help somebody. So y'all have a good evening. God bless. See y'all next time. Appreciate it.